Today we are creating an interactive SMARTBoard math lesson for kindergarten students using Smart Notebook. We will start with the blank screen seen here and go to the left side of the screen and select the framed picture icon. When the menu comes up, you will click Gallery Essentials. This will bring up the gallery of pictures, interactive and multimedia tools, notebook files and pages, and backgrounds and themes. In order to create this math lesson, you will want a simple setup. Too many pictures or elaborate backgrounds will cause distraction for your students. Therefore, a blank or solid colored background is best. For a colored background, click on the color palette icon at the left of the screen, seen here. A darker background will create too much noise for your students. Allow me to demonstrate. Too bright, very distracting. So choose a color that is lighter and less distracting for your background. Next, go back to the picture frame icon and select Interactive and Multimedia. For this activity, I will need a set of 6-sided dice. So I will go to the type search terms here and type in dice. And it'll give you plenty of options. For this activity, I need a black dice and a blue dice. In order to move your dice, you just click and drag, and it'll go to the position that you want it to be in. You'll notice that when you click on the dice, they will move, which is exactly what we want for this activity. Next, you will need to select a picture of a bowl and scoops of ice cream. So I will go to the search and type in bowl and go to pictures, and it gives me 16 options for bowls. And unfortunately, I am not seeing the one that I would like, so I will use my search engine from my internet by clicking Internet Explorer icon down here and typing bowls into the search engine here. When that comes up, I will go to Images, and a variety of bowls will appear. I need an empty bowl, so I'm just going to select one that is empty. I'm going to choose this fun one here, and I'm going to right-click on the image, and on this menu, I'm going to copy. Then I'm going to go down to the toolbar at the bottom and click on Notebook again. I'm going to right-click on my page and select Paste. And the image of my bowl will appear. In order to move it, I'm just going to click on it and grab and drag it. Now, if I want to resize my bowl, I'll go down to this small circle in the lower right-hand corner and click and move it in if I would like it smaller, or out if I want it bigger. I want it about this size. And now my bowl has this white space all the way around it, and I don't want this. So I'm going to right-click on the image and go to Set Image Transparency. And I'm going to click on the empty white space, and it will turn pink, and then I will click OK. That will remove all my white space, and I will just have my bowl. I can still move it to wherever I need it to go. Next, I need to find some ice cream scoops. So I will go up to my search and type in ice cream. And I will select the pictures and look and notice that, again, I'm not finding what I'm looking for. So I will go again to the internet and select ice cream or scoops of ice cream. Get the pictures. I'm looking for a scoop of chocolate, so I will select this by right-clicking and copying, going down to the notebook and pasting. It's a little too big to fit into my bowl the way I want it, so I will shrink it And now I need to find a strawberry flavored, so I will go back to my internet images and select strawberry by right-clicking and copying, back to notebook, and pasting. Again, too big, so I will resize it so it's about the same size as my chocolate, and I will move it over here. Again, there's white space around it, so I'm going to right-click, set image transparency, remove the white space, click OK, do the same for the strawberry ice cream, click OK, and now I have strawberry and chocolate ice cream. For this lesson I need 6 of each flavor, so I'm going to right-click again on my image, and I'm going to go to the top where it says clone, and I'm going to clone it. I need to clone till I have 6 scoops of chocolate. And then I can reposition them by clicking and dragging where I need them to go. I need to do the same for the strawberry. And then I will reposition my strawberry ice cream. The next step I need to do is to create boxes for an equation. So using the tool menu bar at the top, I will click on the shapes and I will select the rounded square. I will scroll down to the bottom of the page and I will create a box. Now I need 3 of them, so I'm going to go back up here to the arrow cursor and select it. Then I'm going to right click on my image and then clone it till I have 3. And then I'm going to reposition them the way that I need them to be positioned. And the reason I need them, I needed 3, it's being silly, is for the first number that I roll on this dice will go into this box. Then I will add a text box right here in the middle with a plus sign. And then I will add another text box right here with an equal sign. And I can move this as I need it to be moved. And then, so I will have whatever number I roll up here will go in the first box. Whatever number I roll in here will go in this box, and the answer goes into the final box. So if the answer, or if the question is 2, I will add 2 scoops, 1, 2 scoops of chocolate ice cream, and the answer, or the number on this one is 1. I will add 1 scoop of strawberry, and then I can add 2 plus 1 equals 3 scoops total. And you have a simple interactive math board lesson for your students.